If you like sleeping, then this book is perfect for you. In today's Science and Art class, we are learning why the body needs rest with this book by Jenna Lee Glazner. Let's go! Sleep. Have you ever gone a day without sleep? We all need sleep. It helps us feel rested. We need sleep to stay healthy. Bedtime. Young bodies need a lot of sleep. Kids should sleep 10 to 11 hours each night. Set a bedtime, go to bed at the same time each day. Healthy hint. Make your bedroom the best sleeping area. Make it cool, dark, and quiet. Brain power. The brain needs sleep. Sleep helps it think and remember. Get enough sleep. This will help you think well in school. Body power. Sleep also powers the rest of the body. Your immune system keeps sickness away. Sleep helps it do its job well. Then your body can fight off a flu or a cold. How we grow. Bones grow the most during sleep. So do muscles. Your brain makes a growth hormone when you sleep. The body needs this to grow. Your body doesn't make enough if you don't sleep enough. So make sure you get enough sleep. And then the sleep stages. There are 5 sleep stages in total. You start to fall asleep at stage 1. Stage 2 is a light sleep. You are fast asleep by stage 3. Stage 4 is the deepest sleep. Healthy hint. Wake up at the same time each day. This will help you sleep better. Rapid eye movement or REM sleep is stage 5. Your eyes move quickly. Your brain thinks while you sleep. People dream at this stage. You go through all 5 stages every night. Once again, stage 1 is drifting off to sleep. The muscles in your body relax and you begin to fall asleep. Stage 2 is light sleep. Your heart starts to beat slower. Stage 3 is deep sleep. Your brain slows down. And then stage 4 is deepest sleep. It is very hard to wake up from this deep sleep. Sleepwalking happens in this stage. And finally, stage 5 is REM sleep. This is where your eyes move quickly and your brain is busy thinking. Dreaming happens in this stage. Need more sleep? Have you ever felt tired or crabby? Maybe you did not get enough sleep. This can put you in a bad mood. It can also make you yawn. Healthy hint, turn off TVs and games before bedtime. They give off lights and sounds. These can keep you awake. Rested up. We feel better when we are rested. We can think better at school. We have energy to think and play sports. How much sleep do you get each night? Let me know down below. I get about 7 hours a day. Now here are the 4 words we learned in today's book. The first one is energy, which is power that can be used. The second one is growth hormone, which is a chemical that the body makes to help it grow. Then the third one is the immune system, which is the system that protects the body from sickness and infection. And finally, the fourth word is REM, rapid eye movement, which is the stage of deep sleep, in which the body is completely relaxed while the brain is very active and dreaming. Now it's your turn. Why do you think sleeping is so important for our health? And how many hours do you sleep every night? Share with me down below. After, I'll see you in the next class for some more learning fun. That's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.